Believe it or don't. I mean, let me tell you a quick story about this. I mean, this isn't one that I was going to. This was another one, but I kind of slept on it too long and it got sold. But this one was listed like maybe 5 minutes after I looked at it, and I just grabbed it. And then I bragged about it, and somebody said, I was going to get that. You didn't need it. Oh my God, that's not fair to us. Like, whatever. It's like, early bird gets the worm, or whatever. But I'm rambling on. But yeah, this one is a Galaxy 3714 20-inch 2-speed fan. And it's obviously an older model because it has the open wagon wheel hub. And yes, it came with the box, so that's good. Yeah, I might as well get it out of the way. Yeah, that's probably going to get real old real quick. But yeah, and there's a 2-speed. But something that I've noticed about these Galaxy Let's Go box fans, 2-speed, they go counterclockwise to turn them on. Whereas the 9-inch 2154s and 3154s went the other way. I never could understand that. Why only the box fans went this way? And they kept this design until about maybe 90 when they stopped making the 2-speeds. Who knows? Grill's a bit yellowed, but it had to have been the plastic that was used. And doesn't look like there's any rust. Probably surface rust, not anything major. Yeah, I've got to get a washer for that. Yeah, even brand new, these were brittle. It wasn't until also 90 when they changed the grills, the plastic in the grills, and they stopped being so brittle. I don't know why they kept it for so long, and at this point, I don't really care. Gotta clean that up. Back. It's missing a screw. So, yeah, it's missing the screw right there. So, let me gently tilt it on its side, and because I really don't want to use the handle. Ooh, something broke. See if there's anything, any information. It's probably on the other side. Lucky me. Hold up. Well, this is a first. There is no identification marks at the bottom. I mean, usually they would stamp them in and it wouldn't be deep enough, but there is nothing. I mean, yeah, there's a couple dents where the motor mounts are, but there is no identification. And I'm on my fucking hands and knees looking for this shit. Oh, never mind. It's upside down, and apparently this is an 8081 model, so... Yeah, they actually didn't indent it deep enough, but... I don't know if you can see it, I don't know, and this is 1980-81, so... Yay, so circa 1980-81. Yeah, yes, I guess. I mean, yeah, the one-piece motor mount and the open wagon wheel hub could probably have given it away, but I like to double-check myself. So, let me get this back upright, myself upright. We'll plug it up and we're going to give it a go. Alright, so if we're ready, let's say a prayer to make sure this works, because unlike the last one, it was a debacle, and I'm still on the fence about that one, so here's hi. I don't know what's rubbing, something's rubbing up against, I'll have to look at that later. Hello? Don't expect long-term service out of this until I get that fixed, because it could be just like that Holmes box fan that I ended up killing. Like, huh? Spend no time now. Alright, got the amp meter up. Unfortunately, the information was too light for me to make out, but I'm guessing it's 2.3 amps or so. So here's on. .06, 08, 160 watts. Low. About 82 watts and 1.1 amps. I'm just curious. Get on my knees again. Oh. Yeah, there's a problem right there. One more spin down time just because I like you guys. Unfortunately, that didn't get an accurate spin down because that cord was rubbing up against the blade and vice versa, so yeah. Yeah. Alright, that's going to do it for this video of this circa 1980-81 Galaxy 3714 2-speed with the box and the handle, the fucking handle, if you can believe that I got this past Wednesday, and I was going to actually show it to you that night, but unfortunately things... Well, let me kind of brief you in on this, because some of you may have read my little explanation. It's just that over time, things have just been chipping away, and then something happened, and then all of a sudden I quietly snapped. And some of the early unboxing, that's why I says like this unboxing continues already in progress. I was starting that earlier, but you're not going to see it because I destroyed the footage. Much like I destroyed my liver that night. Just kidding. But, yeah. I mean, things are a little bit better now, but I may delete that post. I may not. I haven't decided yet. But you're getting a box fan in a box with a handle, a video about it. You'll thank me. So I guess until next time, wherever it is, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. Comment box is open.